is Mark Saman. I'm going to show you the demo for our e-commerce program here at this facility. Most of the orders are sent in through online orders from customers. These orders are then sent electronically to our CSRs, who then process and print the orders here at this station. All the operator really has to do is come over here and grab all the printed pick tickets. He will then prioritize the print tickets by certain clients that have certain cutoffs that need to be met first. And what we'll do next is we'll show you the actual picking process. So the next step is actually picking the orders that have been processed. What we'll need to actually process an order is the pick ticket, a scanner, and a pick-to cart. What we'll end up doing first is the operator will scan each pick ticket, and that on the scanner will show them the location and the items that needs to be picked, which we'll do right now. So the purpose of the pick-to cart is to allow an operator to pick multiple orders at once, and what this does is it allows someone at a later stage to do the packing. It's more or less for efficiency, and it serves the purpose quite well. And once we find our location, again, just using the RF scanner, it'll tell the operator which location and which unit to pick. What he does on the scanner is he adjusts the inventory for that location, for that unit, and decreases it by 1 or whatever the order may be. The last step for the picker is to now place the item on the picking rack, and most importantly, scan the item to the picking rack as a temporary holding location. So the next step is for the operator to log in and sign into our WMS. This allows the system to know that we've in fact picked the order and it's ready to go out. He just needs to update the system and let it know that it's ready to be ready to be packed and shipped out. So the next step is packing the item. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the order and scan it into the system. What this will do is it'll allow the operator to verify what items are in the order. He'll have an ability to tell the system that he's picked the one unit and he's ready to ship it out. And once he's decided on his carton size, he'll enter the box code into the computer as well. And this basically will finalize the packing process. So just to recap our shipping process, our cutoff is 10 a.m. Any orders received before that are picked, packed, and shipped the same day. We use our national carrier, Canada Post. They're actually able to drop ship to any location in Canada, and they usually come around 1 o'clock and around 4 o'clock. They have to come at 4 o'clock just because it's our end of the day, just to make sure everything gets out. And just to let you know that our WMS that we're using for this project is called Manhattan Scale. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to Chad Campbell. He's our warehouse lead for this project. He's going to walk you through our e-commerce returns program. And at the request of the client, they actually use an iPad and a separate software called Zendesk. And without further ado, I'll let Chad take you through the process.
Great. So what happens is the customer submits a return to our client, and then our client provides a prepaid shipping label. So once the return makes it to our warehouse, we use the reference number and we punch it into the system, and it brings up the whole history of this one return item. And then I take a picture of the label, I take a picture of the item inside, and then I write a short description. So I give the item number, I give if we're destroying it or if we're putting it back into stock, and then the quantity of items that was returned in the package. After that, I scroll down in the system, click on warehouse return status, hit returned, and then enter in the date, and then I submit it, and that is that.